Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the exciting world of concrete crafting? Today, we're going to explore a simple, yet incredibly versatile technique that will have you creating stunning concrete rings in no time. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to master the slick concrete ring mold trick. Get ready to unleash your creativity and transform ordinary concrete into extraordinary works of art. We'll walk you through each step of the process from gathering your materials to putting the finishing touches on your creations. So, grab your tools, put on your DIY hat, and let's get started. This project is perfect for adding a touch of modern elegance to your home and garden. Imagine beautiful concrete planters, stylish candle holders, or even unique stepping stones, all made with your own two hands. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of mold creation and concrete mixing, let's take a moment to appreciate the brilliance of this technique. Why is the concrete ring mold trick a favorite among DIYers? Firstly, it's incredibly versatile. You can customize the size and shape of your rings to your heart's content. Whether you're aiming for sleek and modern or rustic and charming, the possibilities are endless. Secondly, this method is surprisingly budget-friendly. You can easily find affordable materials at your local hardware store, making it a cost-effective way to elevate your DIY projects. Lastly, the concrete ring mold trick is perfect for both beginners and experienced crafters. The process is straightforward and forgiving, allowing you to experiment and develop your skills with each creation. So whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your home decor or create unique gifts for loved ones, this technique has got you covered. Now that you're eager to get started, let's gather the necessary tools and materials for our concrete ring-making adventure. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy equipment. Most of these items are probably already in your crafting arsenal. Here's what you'll need. Concrete mix. Opt for a quick-setting concrete mix for faster results. Plastic buckets. These will be used for mixing and pouring the concrete. Measuring cups and spoons. Accurate measurements are crucial for a strong and durable outcome. Stir stick or drill with mixing attachment. This will help you achieve a smooth and consistent concrete mixture. Mold release agent. This will prevent the concrete from sticking to the mold, ensuring easy removal. 2 circular objects of different sizes. These will serve as your molds. Choose objects with smooth, non-porous surfaces like plastic bowls, buckets, or even cake pans. Make sure the smaller object will fit comfortably inside the larger one, leaving enough space for the desired thickness of your ring. Gloves and safety glasses. Protect your hands and eyes while working with concrete. Having all your materials prepped and ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. So, gather your supplies, put on your safety gear, and let's move on to the fun part, creating the mold. Section 4, Mold Mastery, crafting your perfect ring mold. Creating the mold for your concrete ring is a breeze. Remember, the key here is to ensure a smooth and even surface for the concrete to be poured into, resulting in a polished final product. First, prepare your chosen circular objects by applying a thin layer of mold release agent to the interior surface of the larger object and the exterior surface of the smaller object. This crucial step will prevent the concrete from sticking and ensure easy demolding later. Next, place the smaller object inside the larger one, ensuring it sits centered at the bottom. You can use small objects like pebbles or coins to create an even space between the two objects, which will determine the thickness of your ring. Secure the smaller object in place using tape or weights to prevent it from shifting while pouring the concrete. That's it, your ring mold is ready to go. Now let's mix up some concrete. Section 5, Concrete Concoctions, mixing up a smooth and sturdy batch. Now comes the fun part, mixing the concrete. Getting the right consistency is key to achieving a smooth and durable final product. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. Following the instructions on your chosen concrete mix, gradually add water to the dry mix in a clean plastic bucket. Using a stir stick or a drill with a mixing attachment, combine the water and concrete powder thoroughly, ensuring there are no lumps. The ideal consistency should resemble a thick batter, not too runny, not too stiff. It should be pourable but hold its shape. Pro tip: add water gradually, as it's easier to incorporate more water than to thicken an overly runny mix. Once you've achieved the desired consistency, let the concrete rest for a few minutes. This allows the aggregates to fully saturate, resulting in a stronger final product. Section 6. Pour and cure. Bringing your concrete rings to life. With your mold prepped and concrete mixed to perfection, it's time to bring your concrete rings to life. Carefully pour the concrete mixture into the space between the two objects in your mold, filling it to the top. Gently tap the sides of the mold or use a rubber mallet to release any trapped air bubbles. Once you've filled the mold, smooth the surface of the concrete with a trowel or a straight edge. Now comes the waiting game: curing. Cover the mold with plastic wrap and let it sit undisturbed in a cool, dry place for at least 24 hours. During curing, the concrete undergoes a chemical reaction that strengthens and hardens it over time. After 24 hours, carefully remove the concrete ring from the mold. If you encounter any resistance, gently tap the outer mold to loosen the ring. Section 7. Ring in the creativity showcasing your concrete creations. Congratulations, you've successfully mastered the concrete ring mold trick. Now that you've got the technique down, it's time to unleash your creativity and put those concrete rings to good use. Sand down any rough edges with sandpaper for a polished look, paint them in vibrant colors, embellish them with intricate patterns, or leave them in their natural state for a minimalist aesthetic. The possibilities are endless. Transform your concrete rings into stylish candle holders, elegant napkin rings, modern planters, or even unique jewelry displays. The only limit is your imagination. Don't forget to share your stunning concrete creations with us. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Happy crafting!